Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to put together a natural odour-absorbing foot powder. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today's natural odour-absorbing foot powder is designed to spray onto the feet, to absorb bad odours and to deposit lovely fragrance. For today's natural odour-absorbing foot powder formula, we will start with our hero ingredient, Ulticaptacents. In traditional anhydrous cosmetic formulas, the process involves pouring liquid fragrance over silica or other powders, which can lead to clogging issues. When Ulticaptacents is used as a premix with fragrance, it ensures uniform and effective absorption of the fragrance without any clumping. This guarantees even distribution of fragrances without compromising the texture or performance of the product. In foot powder formulations, Ulticaptacents absorbs fragrances from the essential oils that we add without altering the texture of the anhydrous products. It then enables a release of the scent the moment that it is applied to the foot. So I will add my chosen essential oil. I'm using a combination of tea tree oil and lemongrass. You can personalize the fragrance blend to suit yourself. Peppermint oil is always a good choice for the feet. Now I'm just adding in some mixed tocopherol to prevent oxidation of my plant oils. You can see just how easily that liquid is dispersed in the powder without any clumping at all. Now I'm adding in some sodium bicarbonate because it's an odour neutralizer. So it reacts with acidic sweat and volatile odour molecules to neutralize them, leaving the feet smelling fresh. It also creates a slightly alkaline environment, inhibiting some bacteria and fungi that thrive in acidic conditions. And that's it, we just combine these together and then pour them off either into a shaker bottle or a pump bottle for fresh smelling feet. And it's that simple to create a natural odour absorbing foot powder. See? And that's how easy it is to put together a natural odour absorbing foot powder. If you liked today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!